Police brutality. Police brutality. I'm gonna spit on you.
Don't spit, please.
Daddy, I already told him.
Please don't spit.
It is. He's holding me. Get off me.
I just have my hands on you.
Get off of me.
No. Come on in.
Today's video is a remake of an old video that I was never quite happy with the way the edit came out. The officer in today's video is responding to a call about a girl who took a lot of acid, mixed it with a lot of alcohol, and had a very bad reaction. She took off all of her clothes, destroyed the apartment she was hanging out in, then walked across the hall and destroyed the neighbor's apartment as well. A couple things people need to remember while watching this video is that she and her boyfriend most likely got together with the intent to drop a lot of acid and have a wild sexual encounter. This is why she's in the frame of mind that she is in and says the things that she says during this video. Also, remember that her boyfriend is most likely also high on acid, which is the reason he's acting so creepy in front of the officers. I don't remember all of the details about this evening, but I recall the officers telling me it was an extremely busy night, and this call held for a long time before officers were dispatched. This is also why it took so long for medics to respond. When the medics arrived on scene, they injected her with 2 sedatives so that she could be transported safely to a local hospital. Usually, in cases like this, the patient sits in the hospital until the effects of the drugs wear off, then they are released.
Girls! Daddy! They're taking me, Daddy! They're killing me. No, they're not. Daddy,
Hey man, thanks for help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need a medic?
She is highly intoxicated. She needs to be restrained out here.
Is that police?
Yeah.
Is that TV news?
No.
I'm naked. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
See what you're
I
making.
don't know what I'm doing. Fuck you. I hit him. Hi. I'm sorry,
You're
Daddy.
gonna go to jail.
I'm sorry, Daddy. 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 Okay, I promise. Tell him I'll do it. Tell him I'll do it.
No. It's too late now, Alyssa.
I mean, like,
You done fucked up.
Stop.
I'm sorry. I love you, baby. You call me.
You're gonna make him hot. Make him hot. Make him mean. Hot, nasty, mean. Where's the girls? I love children. I want to spit on them. Doctors? Doctors, something, anything? I want to pass out. I'm dying. Virtual reality now. I don't care if I'm dying. That's what I said. They can fake this shit, can't they?
No.
Alright, come on. This is not fun enough.
Listen.
I know. Sometimes. Hold me up.
I need you.
Go for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I need you to go to the hospital.
You got 2 minutes. Make me do it as fast as I've ever done it before in my life. Make me have sex with you. We just met. Get off of me. I'm fucking handcuffed. Get off me. Please, I just want a cigarette. Water. Somebody, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy. You make me feel good.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Hey, all that feels good. Alright, come on.
Hey,
Girls.
we're gonna sit down.
I want some wine.
No.
Oh my god, Mallory, call her. Where's my phone? Fuck you.
Back off.
Fuck you too. You're too big.
No, this is the police, baby.
Back off,
Oh,
man.
fuck. Alright.
You need to stop.
I know I'm pregnant. I know. Fuck you.
You're not
Get
pregnant.
out of her way.
Echo.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Echo.
Young lady, what's your
Aiden?
name?
I want Aiden.
Okay, well, I'm not
I know you can
Aiden.
be fired. You're fake. Get out of here. Give me Aiden.
Don't. You've already threw something at me.
I know. It's fun.
It's not fun.
Isn't it
Hey,
fun?
listen,
No.
Alyssa.
Everybody better be good to me.
Why?
Come on now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want more than you that in here.
Hey, listen.
You guys are. I'm on acid. I'm on acid all the time. Let me go. Handcuffs now. I can't breathe. Daddy. Somebody. You're not my real dad. Neither are you. Get off me now. If you're not my real dad, get off me. Here. If you're not
Stop,
Isn't my I going on TV today?
No.
I want some wine. I said I was thirsty 2 minutes ago. You're really pretty.
Well, thank you.
You're very beautiful. Look prettier. You guys better look like unicorns. Get out of my face. I want Elliot. He's hot.
From
I don't know
like
who Elliot is.
special victims unit?
No, go back. Rick and Morty.
Rick and Morty?
Yes, I want animated. Little girls, unicorns, yes. I want heaven now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Faster than I've ever fucking had it. You're getting on my nerves. On you? Somebody let me shit on him.
Please don't.
Police brutality. Police brutality. I'm gonna spit on you.
Don't spit, please.
Daddy, I already told him.
Please don't spit.
It is. He's holding me. Get off me.
I just have my hands on you.
Get off of me.
No. Come on in.
Acid, tripping balls, bro. Somebody do something. Chelsea, bitch, turn some music on, you fucking cunt. $50 bonus. Daddy! Daddy, $50 bonus. Who wants a bonus? Somebody fuck me good.
No.
Anybody who can fuck me good? $2.
No.
$1. How much are you worth?
Put them on.
Echo! Police brutality. I said somebody fuck me. Make me laugh.
Yes.
Choice are clowns. I love clowns.
So do I like clowns.
Yeah, silly. You hurt me.
What, you were trying to hurt me, my dear.
Oh, can I?
No.
Can I piss on you? Somebody let me do what I want. Anybody who will let me do what I want. $2,000.
Right.
$1,100,000.
You ready for
Echo
some
now.
water?
Yes.
Water?
Please. Oh my God, I'm
Okay,
thirsty.
are you ready?
Careful.
I know, you open your mouth
You
with
know
it.
what? Oh.
You can't talk when
Daddy,
you're drinking.
Daddy, I can't.
Right,
Daddy, I don't know how. You gotta teach me.
Well, you know.
That feels good though. It's slippery.
Yes.
Too slippery. Daddy. Okay, girls, glitter now.
Do you
You
want
got 10
this?
seconds. I'm actually.
Okay, do you
I'm
want
gonna get drunk.
water?
Make me calm. It's
like
so
some
fun.
water?
Drugs. I need more drugs. Cocaine. You're cute. I like you. You look like my brother. Who are you? Get off me now. Somebody kill him. Kill him. Shoot him. Shoot him. $5 million. $5 million.
Unicorn.
Joker. Harley. Jenny, Chelsea, is anybody? Daddy. Somebody get my phone. I'm dying. He's hurting me. Get off me, please. Let me out, please. Daddy, please. Daddy. Oh my God, make me come. Somebody make me come. I wanted 50 unicorns. Oh, shut up. You put your cock in my mouth and
She's actually my girlfriend.
You're white. Where's Austin? I want somebody Aiden now.
I can help it.
Acid. Acid. Give me some acid. Do you know where to get some acid? I need water. I'm not Daddy.
She just went from
What?
0 to 60.
Yeah.
And like I said,
Fuck
all
me, I
this
said.
from here
No.
to there happened.
I never
last,
been
like,
tased.
30 minutes.
You don't want to be
60
tasted.
minutes.
I've given you water several times now.
Do it again.
No.
Do it again.
You decided to spit
Daddy,
it
will one
out.
of you piss on me? Shit on me. Do whatever you want. Just take me out of these handcuffs. Give me a blunt. Roll for me now, you fucking. Oh,
Make sure you
which
stay
way?
out of her legs so she don't kick you again.
Harley. Oh yeah, glitters. Whatever I like. This shit is ass. White guys, black dudes. I need everything. Oh my God, completely flip script. Brazilian. I'm on a beach right now. Fucking flip the script.
Okay, then relax
Daddy,
and enjoy the sunlight.
Please, Daddy, I'm trying to talk to you. I just want to talk to you. Tell him to get out of my face.
I can't.
Please, Daddy. You're bleeding. It's hot. Turn me on. Tell him to make me come. Tell them to do what you can't do to me because they're doctors. Will you shoot him? He's annoying. I don't have the juice. I don't have the balls. Will you? If I see somebody die, then I can do it. Whoever DD is, come to the. Whoever I can shit on. Daddy, fix it. I want a Krabby Patty now.
Move on you?
I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna. Ah! Remember?
Focus.
Dash my bottle. Binky.
done.
Cock. Somebody do something. Eat my pussy. I'm bored. I'm not looking up to
I
you.
can
My
imagine
pussy.
you're bored.
Echo, it's
Eat my
mommy.
pussy. Echo, come eat my pussy.
Hey,
Mommy.
stop
It's the
it.
kitty. The kitty did it
You
first.
stop it.
Let me do whatever I want. I'll fire you.
Okay.
Give me what I want. Now, glitter. More. Stop coming back to me.
Yeah.
You know, I had a margarita. I was handcuffed, but in a sexy way. Daddy, they were throwing milk on me. I want a sippy cup.
By chance?
I need my phone. I'd rather have your dick in my mouth. I'll give you a $5 million bonus if you put your dick in my mouth right now.
No, thank you.
All right, whoever wants to. Move then. If you won't do it, he will. Echo. Oh, you're hot. Come on, Cody. Where's Cody? Come on, Cody. Mexican, black. Ooh. Keep it rolling. I don't like you.
Okay, that's it.
Daddy. Kids.
Acid reaction.
Redo it.
Definitely
Now,
not being
what's your turn?
around.
You're hot. Do I know you? You're hot. You look like my brother.
Acid reaction reacting in manners that are consistently problematic.
Can I have water? I'm dying. They're killing me. They're trying to cover up.
Hey, sir.
They're trying to...
Go back off. Look for her
I don't
wallet.
have to say anything.
Okay.
I don't say anything to you.
Don't you try that.
I'm catered.
You're okay?
Brazilian wax now.
Brazilian wax?
Fuck me. Somebody get my pussy.
Did you happen to find the wallet?
Somebody piss on me.
No. I'm gonna actually call
It's
her
hot.
brother.
But
For you guys real quick, and I'm gonna get all of her information.
act like, hey, everybody, is anybody listening?
Get her name.
I all of them. Black, preferably. Get off me now. 1, 2, 3. I want to blow in my
Okay,
hand.
I'm gonna let it go as long as you keep it down.
Dad, don't put your dick in my mouth again.
What's that?
You put your dick in my mouth. You're fat, but it turns me on.
No idea
Bigger,
what her
blacker,
name
meaner.
What's your name?
Tase me. Something fun. Glitter.
Alyssa.
Acid. Come eat my pussy. Somebody make contact with this pussy. Music, girls, do whatever I say. I want
Does she live here? Or does
I want you to
She stays with me.
Can you make me a
Just
monkey in
back and
Quebec?
forth, but she
A monkey in
Tase
Quebec.
me.
No.
Kill him. Now he's annoying. He won't give me what I want. Daddy?
No.
Oh my god, you're my mind. Oh, there's not enough of you. Glitter unicorns now. I'm giving birth. I'm dying.
Or you want to get it in a pie?
Echo. Fine with me. I'm gonna fucking...
He's just rubbing your leg. Don't worry about it.
I know. Water, please. Ah! Fuck you. Water now. I need a blunt. Get that needle out of my face! It hurts.
more
All right.
close.
Yep.
All right, that was it for today, right? Echo.
Last one.
No.
Last
No,
one.
please,
Last
please,
one.
please,
Last one.
Daddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yep.
11, 12.
And we're done.
Yes, that. More. No.
I don't know what to do.
Make me come.
I can only do
$2 million. I don't see enough
tried to
cash.
stop her from hurting herself, but obviously, you can see she
Echo.
tore me
Sweetie,
up,
Echo.
bro.
I like you. Were you planning?
I'm not about to sit there and put.
Does anybody love me?
On a woman, bro. You know that. She
Oh, somebody take a picture of me. I bet I look
like
horrible right now.
reliable Medicaid insurance that should be.
I'm dying. I'm
Yeah,
dying.
they should be
This
able
is
to
it.
look
I'm
for that.
dying. I should be able to have
You're
fun,
not
right?
dying, baby.
I am
sure
dying.
she has
Oh
one.
my god, Chelsea, girls. It's
Where
not
you guys wanna
enough.
go? I'll follow
If I'm gonna
you.
go like this, alright. It's cold, I can't see shit. Make me feel better.
Here,
what you do with
can
me.
we get a blanket on her?
They will in the medic.
They will.
Yeah. Then they will at the hospital, and they will like wherever else she goes. I'm gonna put you guys behind her.
Just do it.
I also.
Sitting her up.
No, I
That's
think they
what
wanna.
Sit her up.
Perfect.
Sit back.
Put those on. That blanket too. You throw it on top of her.
You wanna go up high?
Yeah, I got this.
I'll grab this side and you grab that side.
Yep.